people. So that's what I was speaking about beer biceps in my previous video, and it is called the Ranveer Show. You know that you can watch, and really like these podcasts, right? They can alter the way you see the world. And the reason I'm speaking so fast is one of these books that I had read. It was called Never Be Late Again, and truly after reading that book, it's there with me somewhere, but yeah, Never Be Late Again, it's about the fact that whenever we have to reach some place, all of us hope to reach on time, but if you want to never be late, you should hope to be early. I mean, this is such a simple, commonsensical tip, but really only after reading this book I realized ki haan yaar, this is the technique to never be late again. And now I will not continue with this video, otherwise I'll end up being late. So now I have to clean the rabbit cage, and then it is like almost time to rush and go and pick up my child. So on that note, it's already a 1 minute video. On that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.